Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is a quick video on some of the stocks that are about to run. They had a massive run today, and I think just looking at the price action, I think they might run again tomorrow and this week. So in this particular video, I want to cover ticker symbol ALF, NAOV, ENVB, VRPX, SPRT, then we have SESN, and then finally we have the King AMC. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my YouTube community, where you can become a member just by paying $3 to $5 per month, and you can get member specific alert. And you can see we have been making money even on after hours on VRPX, ALF. So you see, I share a lot about support, resistance, and trade ideas during the day and pre-market, after market, so that we can all make some money. So anyway, let's back in to ALF. So first of all, it has a wild day. It was up by 40% today, and then even after hour it is up 4.83%. so you can see the chart. At one point after hour it went almost 10.85, 10.9, and it has come down, but again it is maintaining the floor around 10.5. so let's have a look on the chart. First of all, on a daily chart, you can see the RSI was coming down, then suddenly today huge volume came. At the same time, the RSI is going up. Also look at the MACD, the blue line is about to cross the orange line, so things are getting bullish. And why? Look at the price. At one point it went all the way to 22, then it was coming down, and at one point it found a support around 6.5, and today from 6.5 it went almost to 10. So it ended the day around $10, and again just before the close I alerted in my community that even after hour it will go up, because you can see the hourly chart here. Today it was trying to break the 10.1, 10.10 resistance, then it broke, it went to close to 11, then it came down, right? So it came down and now it is coming down. So the important thing is, can it come and bounce from 10.1? If that happens, I think it will reach 10.8, then we have 11.4, and if we go upward we have 13 and more. So keep this line to your chart, because you need to know if you're doing a day trade or a swing trade, because these are the important line. But 10.8 acted like a resistance after hours, so pre-market you see how we behave. So anyway, if you're a member, you will get alert on this pre-market, so make sure you have joined the community. The next one is ticker symbol NAOV. It's a wild thing because it goes up and down. So today it was down by 12%, and after hour it is up by 1%. If you look at the chart, this is the 15-minute chart, and you show every day it goes up then comes down, same pattern, right? Goes up then comes down. Today happened the same thing, but today it came down even more. So if you know the pattern, and if you see there is a spike, definitely there is good opportunity to trade. So some important lines here. There is a support around 2.7, 2.75, this area. Then the next one is around 3.38, because 3.38 was a resistance before, then it became a support back to back 2 days, but today it came down. So the thing is, can it come below 2.75, or it will have a bounce from 2.8, this area? You can see after hour it is moving sideways. We have to see the pre-market, and also we have to see after hours. But these are the lines, 2.8, and also we have a bottom around 2.3 area. So we will see again, you will see the confirmation. But it's a nice movement. If you look to a daily chart here, look how it has been moving, right? Wild run from 2.3, it went all the way to 4.1, almost doubling your money. Look at the RSI, it has been moving sideways at a very high level between 60 and 70. Okay, the next one is ticker symbol ENVB, and it was up by 21% today. And look at the chart today, look at the chart. It started and it continued till the end, then after hour it came down, and again it is going up. Looking at the 1 hour chart, you see since March it has been coming down. It has been coming down on a falling wedge. But the thing is, if you're a swing trader or a day trader, you can see that it has been moving within these two lines, so you know when it will spike. Same thing happened today. You see here, it came and touched the bottom black line here, then boom, it went up. So if the thing continuing, then maybe it will hit around 2.23 area, then maybe it will come back. And why I'm excited today? Look at today's price action. The last 2 hours, look at big volume bursts, two huge volume bursts here, and that is why the price is going higher. So we have to see how the after hour and pre-market happens. Otherwise this thing will just continue downtrend unless we see a breakout. Regarding the support and resistance, I think some lines can be drawn very easily. So one line is right here around $2, or you can say 2.05. Then we have something around 2.4. Then we have something around 2.7. On the other hand, if you see on the downside, we have around 1.8. So these are the levels you should be looking at. And look what happened. 1.8, it came at 1.8 after hours and it bounced again. So between 1.8 and 2.06, and after that we have 2.4, 2.7. Know the levels before you enter. The next one is VRPX. It was up by 265% today. Huge run, and even after hour it is up 26%, and still it is running higher. And we have been trading this even for after hours, and this is a very good trade for me. And why? You see, the day we ended around 15.8, we were trying to break the 15.8, let's say 16. So we were trying to break this particular one, we couldn't. And just before the end of the day, before 4 p.m, we were right here. And I alerted on my community that keep an eye. If you want, you can go to my community, you can check, but that's not the thing. You see it went up, came here, and 15.8, that was the support, and boom, from 15.8 it went all the way to 21.6 area. It has been coming down and it is going up, but still it is very high, and it can run again tomorrow. So pre-market, keep that in your watch list. The next one is SPRT. This is another good one. We have been making money in our community with this one, and don't forget, it had a nice PR. It went from $9 to $12 in the morning. So today it was up 6.9%. Let's have a look on the chart. So on the chart, what we can see that it went up around 9.4, came down, found the floor at 6, then the next support became 7. Now it is hovering over $8. So let me turn on the chart here. So just after the news, you see it went around 10.86, then it came down. But why I'm so interested, look at the 1 hour chart here. I'm just moving. So just looking at the chart here, I see like it came down, yes, but it has a support around 7.5. Then it has a support around 8, and it might make a U-shaped recovery. They have a special shareholder meeting in September for the reverse merger with another company, so it might run. But again, if around 8.2 or 8 support is intact, I think it can run again towards $9 or even $9.5. So far we spotted this particular one around $4, and it has been killing it since then. The next one is ticker symbol SESN. Again, it was up 23% today. Even after hour it is up 3.3%. And look at the chart, such a wild chart. Look at the 1 hour chart. It was at $1.6, came down all the way to 1.6, even 1.1. Look at the RSI. From 93, the RSI came to 18. So from overbought to oversold. So trying to recover. So let's have a look here, right? So it came at 1.1, tried to go up, went around 2.1, came down, and after that trying to find a support around 1.18 or let's say 1.2. And on hourly chart you can see it has been slowly going up, but still there is no confirmation, because you see here it has been making lower highs and also it is making higher lows. So if this can break, maybe then it will go higher. So the important level is, can we break it? And look at the resistance 1.7. So between 1.7 and 1.2, this is the area. If it breaks, definitely the next resistance will be around 2.13, and also then there's a big gap. So from 1 hour, let me zoom to a daily chart. And why I'm saying 1.7, look here. The 1.7 was acting like a support for so long, and when it dropped, then 1.7 became an important resistance. So going forward, we have to break it. The last one is the AMC. So again, it has been doing really good. Today it was up 4%, and even after hour moving sideways. But what is amazing here, if we look at the hourly chart here, first of all, the RSI is high, but I'm not concerned about RSI. I just want to show that you see the two black line here. This is the downward trend, right? It was coming down, and finally it broke through. And what is happening, it is going on an uptrend. So from here, if I join the line, you can see it has been going upward. Let me make it blue color so you see. So it has been going higher, and every day we are alerting my community that how we should be trading this if we're a day trader or you're a swing trader. So definitely we had a bottom at 30, we have a double bottom, then we had the sub resistance around 35, we got it, Now we have a resistance around 36.2. We got it, right? So the next stop I think will be around 40. After 40, this thing will really start running towards 46 and more. So the important thing is, can it keep the momentum making higher lows? So anyway, for all of this I will just alert again pre-market, and make sure you are a member of this community. You have to pay only $3 per month. There is another package $5 per month for daily trade ideas, which I recommend. So join, and hopefully you will make more money than this. So anyway, thank you for watching this particular video. Take care. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.